The online version of the Infinity Insurance Solutions audit form is really quite simple, but there are a few things to remember as you work through the form. This short video tutorial will show you how to get through the form as quickly and accurately as possible. To log into your account, first go to www.infinityins.com. Look to the right of the website and you'll see a blue title bar that says Audit Worksheet. Click the Login Now link. Enter the ticket number and PIN shown on the letter you received in the mail. Then go to the worksheet to enter the rest of your information. The top part of the form shows the ticket number, insured name, and insurance carrier name, along with policy numbers and starting and ending dates. Policy types are shown for each policy. Throughout this form, you'll see several areas with an asterisk shown to the side. These fields are required, so make sure they're filled in accurately. The general information section is pretty self-explanatory. Enter your company's contact information along with the name and phone number of the person preparing the form and the Federal Employer Identification Number or Tax ID of the company. Section 1, the Gross Payroll section, starts out blank. Click on the link that says New to begin filling in your payroll information. In this example, you'll need to enter 4 quarters worth of payroll information. Use the drop-down menu to choose each period of information you're reporting, then enter the amount and click Update. This will store the information you just entered and allow you to continue adding quarters or to go back and edit an amount you may have mistyped. You don't need to worry about dollar signs or cents, just use whole numbers rounded to the nearest dollar. Continue with each of the 4 quarterly amounts until all the amounts are correct. The Ownership Info section contains information about the owners or officers of the firm. Just as in the first section, you'll click on New and add 1 record for each person. Include their name, title, duties, payroll, and percent ownership of the company. Section 3 is similar to the earlier sections because you can add payroll information for each person. Enter the name, full or part-time status, duties, payroll, and weeks worked. If you have this payroll information in another file, such as an Excel spreadsheet or PDF, you can attach that document at the end of the process instead of using this part of the web form. In Section 4, all values are totals for the company. Enter the total amounts, including all employees, based on the policy period. For any subcontractors or 1099 employees, enter 1 record for each person. Include their name, the type of work performed, the cost or amount paid to that contractor, and whether the contractor has a certificate of insurance or not. In this section, indicate the company's annual sales or receipts for the period. If you break out the figures in time periods other than annually, use the Period drop-down menu to indicate the period you're reporting. Enter the total number of company employees, including breakout values for full-time and part-time. The full and part-time numbers should add up to the total number of employees at the top. Finally, enter your name and title as the authorized representative. Enter the date on which you filled out the form and verified the information. Then proceed to the Description of Operations section. The Description of Operations section gives you free-form space in which to describe your business, products, services, and the state or states in which you conduct business. Once you've submitted everything, you'll receive a confirmation page. You may be asked for some additional records, for instance, a Schedule C from a tax return or a payroll tax return. You can fax these additional documents to the fax number shown, you can email them, send them by postal mail, or, for fastest results, attach them using the Browse and Upload Requested Records buttons. After the file uploads, a status message will indicate the upload was successful. Now would be a good time to print off the worksheet status page, showing that you've completed the form and uploaded all of the necessary documentation. And that's it. We're willing to help you with any problems or questions you run into during the process. Just call us at 877-408-6249.